Matcha and lavender may seem like an odd combo, but they actually work perfectly together. In this video, we'll show you our ultimate lavender matcha latte recipe that you can make in just a couple of minutes. First, let's talk ingredients. To make this lavender matcha latte, you'll need 2 ounces of filtered water, 1 tablespoon of lavender syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup, 8 ounces of milk, purple food coloring, ice cubes if you're making an iced lavender matcha latte, and finally, the star of the show, 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. But which matcha is best for a lavender matcha latte? After meeting with matcha producers in Japan, we learned that you actually don't need to use super expensive matcha powder for lattes. In fact, it's best to use a matcha designed specifically for lattes. This one from Mr. Masuda in Shizuoka is produced without pesticides and is designed specifically for lattes. It has a bolder flavor that shines through the milk, and it's carefully ground to mix more evenly into the milk without forming clumps. If you want to try it, you can find it on our website, neoteas.com. You can also follow this recipe along in our blog, where we have dozens of other great matcha recipes to choose from. But for now, let's get back to the lavender matcha latte. So first, you're going to start off by mixing up the matcha. If you really want to avoid clumps, there's a little trick you can use. After you've sifted 2 teaspoons of matcha powder into your bowl, try mixing in 2 tablespoons of hot water and blending the matcha into a paste. This paste step makes it easier to smooth out the matcha and make sure that there's no clumps before adding in the rest of the water. Once all the water's been added in, you can start to whisk the matcha. The best technique here is to use rapid zigzag motions using your wrist. It takes a little bit of patience, but once you get it down, it should only take a few seconds for a light green foam to appear on the top of the matcha. While the matcha is still warm, you can pour in the lavender and vanilla syrup and give it a gentle stir to mix. Now it's time to heat the milk, which you can do in either a small saucepan or in a milk frother. If you're making an iced lavender matcha latte, you can skip this step and just pour the milk into a tall glass. Add in the tiniest amount of purple food coloring into your milk. A single drop should be plenty, and stir it gently. Once you have your purple milk, it's time to assemble the lavender matcha latte. If you're making an iced lavender matcha latte, you can fill up a glass with ice cubes and then pour in the matcha lavender mixture. Next, you can slowly pour the froth milk into a glass, allowing it to cascade over the lavender matcha latte and then slowly stir to combine. Now your lavender matcha latte is ready to serve. You can garnish it with a small pinch of lavender flowers or some matcha powder. If you really want to enhance the flavor of this latte, you can experiment with some of our premium matcha powders. After traveling around Japan for the past few years, we've met with dozens of farmers and sampled hundreds of different matcha teas. You can find all of our favorites on our website, neoteas.com. If you like this lavender matcha latte recipe, we would really appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to see more matcha recipes in the future. Until then, we'll see you next time.